Mom's is here. It rained earlier, no? And then, when it's after the rain, have you not noticed that it's really nice to see the plants? Honestly guys, I just finished my TikToking. But now, I just want to visit my, my climbers. This one is like Matis, the president. How are you, president? Congratulations, bongbong. And this was the one that my son gives me. I forgot the name. Something ni animala ni. Kalimut ko. So, the one started to sprout. So this is the president. And what else? Can you hear the birdies singing? It's really nice, yeah. Hello, water lilies. My water lilies. My fish pond. My dead fish pond. And do you know this? Do you know this? Actually, this is from my neighborhood. And then he just told me that, yeah, just get some bits of it and then I planted it here. But this will not last long. It's very nice, yeah. And of course, strawberries na ako, diba? And you notice, can you see? I know you see. Diba, this is my roses, and it's very nice. I don't know what fascinates me are the waters. Look at that. So beautiful. Because it was dry a few days ago, and then I have to plant over there. I need to put some plants. I don't know. Can you suggest? I might put here the cornfield. My corn. Oh my God! This been already how many years? And look at that, them growing now. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. So I have to name him. I have to name this plant or her. And this is my apple. Hello, apple. Oh God, look at that. So this again, the gift of my friend, and that was my 50th birthday. And look at him now. And this time, halala. And this one is the apple of my son, and the apple of me. So when they grow bigger, mag-away gini, they'll be fighting their branches because they started to do it. But I don't understand why this one is leaning. Don't lean, hala. It needs a stick, I think. Nataga. Yeah, it needs a stick. Because, I don't know, or otherwise, I'll just move this. Kaya mo yan. I just put some stick, I think, yeah. Okay na lang siguro kung idot-dot. Parang siya maayo. So yun ra. I'll find ways na makabarong siya. Nawa na ko kaduwa niya kung garden. But this is my favorite spot. Because of this. Hello. Yeah, how are you? Look at you. Did you enjoy the rain? Yeah, did you have a good shower? Me, I don't have a good shower because our shower is broken. And of course, that plant there, the one with the green leaves and the bottom is the purple leaves. I need to chop it off because I joined these UK gardens, and then they advised me that to continue the leaves, the purple leaves, chop off the green one because otherwise they will gone. The colors will be gone now. So I have to chop this off. Gana din ako buhaton. Okay, and then of course my favorite pot, and I don't have yet a lot of flowers to put here on these empty spots. This one, it died. Sorry, that's a gift from my son. And yeah. Hello, little people. I put little people. I don't know why. I just love watching them. So, and little creatures. This was from the Mother's Day. Hello, little book. Did you enjoy your stay here with the water? Oh, this is from my mother and father-in-law, and it's been 3 years already. If you can see the 3 years growing of my acer trees. And of course, look, these are from that one is from my father-in-law, and look at that. Oh my god, it's starting to sprout the flowers. Oh my god, I can't wait on this. Oh my god, and this one, I'll give you a magic, not now. And my climbers again. I got lots of climbers actually. And look at that, my acer, Japanese acer. Na lang. The box hotel. The box hotel. Thousand. Anyway, so what else I will show you? This one I will show you. Oh my lord! Look at that! Started to open. See? Oh my! It flowers already on this one. Oh my! I can't wait. They're all beautiful. So I'll just chop this off because it's dead already. Ay, nara, gamitan tika gunting. And guys, look at that. Look at that. Yeah? See this? Beautiful. This one is from my father-in-law. This one is my father-in-law, and Ethan painted this. And what I did, I attached to mine. Naman siya, mailan siya, but I'll just, it will be covered with the flowers, right? So look at this. Look at that. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful, 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 beautiful. And then, especially, it's all covered with the tulimbang yata. Diba? It's very nice. But I don't know where to put this. So that's it, guys. And see you again. This is me talking to my plant. And yeah, I need to mow the garden because all the dandelions, I waited for the dandelions to dry. These are the dandelions, they died already, so I have to mow the garden, the grass. And make a nice beauty of it. It's a little thing, but it's a big happiness for Mamsie. How about you? Try to check out your garden and talk to your trees. Ala, napaday ko lang yung istoryahan. I have to talk to this one. You see how crazy I am? Yes, look at that. Oh my god. And then that's it. That's it. Yes. So they will be start to grow up beautifuler and beautifuler. Kung ano ka na siyang tutunan ka na ako para di na kayo mo kuhan. Hello lizard. Aray. Kasite. Kapit ka lang lizard. Naman lizard. Kapit ka lang siya. Okay, that's it. Alright. Okay. So yun. Ito muna ang mangyayari ngayon. See you in a bit.